Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. Tonight, we're in Japan. On tonight's menu, a Soba Noodle salad. The morning mise en place. Boiling an egg. Just after prep, plus a few extras. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Infusing the oils with the red pepper flakes. I add the soy sauce and the honey and continue to whisk. The hot jacuzzi is ready. The soba noodles are doing their thing. I'm cooling off and rinsing the soba noodles. Everything ready to go into the bowl. Everything in the bowl except the dressing. Here's everything all mixed up. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoy the presentation. Have fun cooking.